Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to mute an account on Twitter but don't know how? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to mute accounts on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Suppose this is a user I want to mute. Simply tap on the three vertical dots that is on the right side of your screen. A pop-up will appear with a lot of options. Tap on Mute. A pop-up will appear again asking you if you are sure you want to mute the username. Now tap on Yes, I'm sure option. So that is how you mute accounts on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.